ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Wala ka NPP ko babad ya ula kam sensar hapo organi ka jalla kala penbena mardor ki Kyrtong Jong ki Kyrtong ki Pynïakhun ha ke election shiteng samoi kata hamarun keneng constituency bad haraja bala constituency lainno hamau plang Henry hadu menta ka seng kongres ka basong ha ke liang persya kampat la satya ban penbena ya ke Kyrtong Jong ki Kyrtong hadu menta Hakajingnya keren bat kilat pathai khubor unang ilam ke Congress Legislatures Party Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bahadu menta ke Congress kadang wadi ki Kyrtong ban Pynïakhun neki lai Tylli ki constituency da ka biya selok shwa hapo ke election committee jong ke party hapo kani ke jilla bad hadin kani an sapha apa di ki Kyrtong jong ki Kyrtong sha Delhi ni ko benta ban yo ya kajing menjur neki bor bahalor jong ke All India Congress Committee.
Notification has come. Elections are scheduled for 30th. The counting is on 2nd, so we'll wait for the counting. There is a system in the party, we follow the system. It is not decided by an individual, okay? There is a system. We have the Pradesh Election Commission, committee, and then the AICC. So the whole process will be followed. Based on that process, what ultimately is the final decision will be shared with all of you. As of now, what we see is that with all instances of lack of governance, which is visible everywhere, I know what people will decide. Okay. Every time, whenever we are confronted with this kind of situation where we have limited time, then we utilize the time accordingly. Okay. So there is, it's true for every political party. The limited time which is available as per the notification is not only for one political party, but for every political party. So every political party will look at those spaces available in respect of the time and probably keep pace with the timing.